Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn about PHP and how we can print out our first string echo world, and we will learn a little bit about WAMP. And after installing the WAMP, and we will turn on our local server, and we will everything our PHP code we will run on our local server. And after installing WAMP, and you have to now turn on your WAMP server. Click in the search window, type WAMP and press yes, and now you'll have to wait. It will turn yellow and then green, and when it will be turned green, it means that your local server has been turned on, and now we can start writing our code. You can see here it's red, and now it will be turned yellow, and now it will be going to be green. So after that we will click again in the search window. You can use Notepad or Notepad++, but I'm using Visual Studio. I'm typing Visual Studio. It is opened, and you will go to your directory, your computer, this PC, and in C folder, local disk C, where you have installed, and I will open WAMP and www directory, and here we will write all our code, and we are going to our first project. So I'm going to create a folder, a new folder. I'm just writing the name of his hello, or you can write down any name of your folder. For example, I'm typing test, or you can write anything, learn PHP. And now we will open our Visual Studio, and we will go to file, or you can just click on the open folder, or you can just do that from the file function, file button. So we will open our folder, and we will open learn PHP, the folder which we created a moment ago. Or yes, you can go to local disk or WAMP4 www and learn PHP, and now you can select your folder, and you can see that there's on the left side there's folder that has been opened. So what we are going to do, we will click on this button, new file, and I will create our first file, hello.php. You can write anything, the name of your file could be anything, it depends upon you. So so now your file had been created. Now what we are going to do, we will write our PHP code, and then we will execute our code on the WAMP server. So first of all, we will start by using PHP tag. This is PHP tag. Everything that will be written between these two codes will be considered PHP code. We will start using PHP, and we will end is like this. It is very simple. And now we will write echo. Echo means whatever you want to print out, any string, any value. Echo, it is used to print anything. And double brackets, we will type anything. For example, learn PHP in Hindi, or by John Butty. It's very simple. Now you are done, and now you can simply save by Control S, and we will go back to our WAMP server, and we will click on the www directory, learn PHP, open our folder. Sorry, we will go back, and we will go to localhost, and we will click on our folder learn PHP and hello PHP. Now you can see that it has printed learn PHP by John Butty. Or you can open it in any page, for example, or any browser. For example, I'm going to use another browser, Firefox. or I will simply type localhost learn php and hello.com. It is the name of the file we just created, and I will enter. Oh, there's something wrong. It's not showing me. Actually there was something wrong with the folder name. Learn php, and I will type on hello, and you can see that it has printed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and in this simple method you can print anything, but it is just a starting video and we were just discussing the PHP code, so just talking about the syntax. In the next video we'll start everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.